I legit look like Geodude from Pokemon. Oh, this is a very messy job. Oh, it just landed on my leg.
Me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6-1 on the money, 9-2. You just say a word and I run through.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Elliena here. I hope you guys are doing well during these times. Right, so today I'm not gonna do a hair tutorial or makeup tutorial or vlog. Today is kind of different. Since quarantine, I have invested more into skincare and skincare routines. Fortunately, I've come across this company called Body and Soul. They sell such good skincare products, and fortunately enough for me, they have sent me some holy grail Korean skincare classics. So I'm quite new to skincare. Like, back in the day, I never really cared much about skincare like that. I didn't think it was worth investing in, but the more I dug deeper into skincare, into my research into skincare, the more I found out that Korean products has like some of the best products in the world, and also Japanese skincare as well. I've also learned that there's steps to skincare, so like double cleansing, toner, essence, serums, sheet masks, night sleeping masks, which I all want to share with you. I also found out that Koreans use snail slime in their skincare. Yeah, I thought that as well. Like, I thought that was so weird, but they have like amazing properties which helps keep the skin supple and plump, so I'm looking forward to be using that. So you lot probably all heard about getting that glass skin texture look, and in Korean skincare they do go for that dewy glowy look. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot, and make sure you press that notification bell to be notified for when I post another video. Right, so this is the Body and Soul logo. So Body and Soul, this is such a cute card. So what they sent me in this box are sheet masks, blackhead removal stuff, some carbonated bubble clay mask. I have seen tutorials on this. It looks super fun and I can't wait to do this. And last but not least, the Banila cleansing balm. I have seen a lot of reviews on this and literally everyone says it is the best thing, so I can't wait to use this. This is the first product I'm going to review. So the one that I have is the Banila Clean It Zero, which comes in pink, as you can see. But if you go on to the Body and Soul website, they also sell different versions for different types of skin. So there's a green one, which I think is the revitalizing version, which is perfect for oily and aging skin. So this cleanser includes key ingredients such as grapeseed, olive oil, resveratrol to rejuvenate skin and improve the texture of your skin and also reduce the signs of aging. There's also the purifying version in purple lilac, which is more suited to like sensitive skin. So all three versions are 100ml and are priced roughly around £20, which isn't really expensive at all because you'd only need a tiny bit, so it will actually last you very long and you don't need to keep buying. So the original version suits all types of skin, so if you're not sure which one to get, then I suggest you go for the original one. And it's paraben and sulfate free, has no mineral oil and is hypoallergenic. Heaven and oil base cleaner is a must in Korean skincare as it removes all makeups and impurities from the skin, as well as SPF. Also guys, SPF is very, very important. I'll probably do a video on that very soon. I feel like I'm rambling on, but I'm really excited to try this one out. So final bit of information that I'm going to tell you before I get going to the video. The Banila Co has some unique ingredients such as papaya extract, which gets rid of dead cells. It also has vitamin C, which has a brightening effect on the skin, and cherry extract, which fights free radicals and prevents premature aging. So guys, let's get going to the video. Okay guys, so Banila Co, it comes with a scoop because it's much more hygienic to use the scoop than dipping your fingers in this. what I'm gonna do is, oh, it smells so nice. Right, so I'm just going to take a scoop, maybe like this much. I took about this much, and I'm literally just gonna spread it all over my face. I'm literally just gonna rub it all in. I have a ton of makeup on, and with other cleansers that I use, it's really hard to take off my lipstick. So let's just see how this turns out. It's legit just gone with one swipe. Wow. Okay, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's melting away. I am impressed. This is actually amazing. So now I'm just gonna wipe it all off using a tissue, or you can wash it off. It's up to you, but I'll come back to you in 2 secs. Alright guys, so I haven't got any makeup on and my skin actually feels so amazing. Like, I don't need to tug on anything, like especially with my lipstick. It's really hard to take off. I didn't have to like scratch it, wipe it. I literally had to sweep it and it just went. My skin doesn't feel stripped or tight in any way, shape or form. It's really soft, it smells nice. I wish I had discovered this earlier. Like, this is amazing. But yeah guys, that's Banila Co done. Let's get going to the Carbonated Bubble Clay Mask. It comes in this cute little plastic tub thingy. So I've done some research on like some of the benefits that this brings. This gets rid of dirt, it's a pore cleanser, it's deep cleansing, it removes makeup, and it supplies a lot of nutrients into the skin. This is also a Korean skincare brand. I'm not sure how much you get in this. It doesn't actually say. Alright, so it comes with a little spatula. It smells alright. Let's just see the texture of this. Kind of like a gooey kind of texture. So I'm gonna try and just do like a light layer, light to medium layer, because I do see that it does bubble up quite a bit. Avoid the eye areas. Oh, it is very cooling on the skin. I don't know how long it will take to dry. It is very cooling and I love it. I'm trying for it not to bubble up on me. Oh, don't bubble up on me. Can you see how fast it's like bubbling up? I don't know if you lot can see. Oh my gosh, it's drying so fast. It's actually drying too quick on me. Right, I can hear the bubbles. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Oh, I can feel it working. I can hear the bubbles. I feel everything. This is 10 minutes in and you can see it's really going. Like, I can still hear it bubbling. This is so weird. I was watching a video, I was watching a really funny video, and I must have laughed. As I laughed, like the air coming from my nose actually like went down and like took off some of the mask. Just looks like my whole face is swollen. I don't know when I'm gonna take this off. I want to take it off, but I don't want to take it off. So it's been like 15 minutes now and it's still bubbling up. I legit look like Geodude from Pokemon. Literally. So what I'm going to do now is literally just rub it in. Oh. It's kind of like gone back to the clay texture. I think it's still bubbling up. This is really fun. I actually think I like this. I just want to see the results. Let me go and wash this off with water and I'll get back to you. So guys, this is my skin. It feels so smooth. It was weird. It was an experience, but honestly, especially around here, my skin feels so soft. So that was the Carbonated Bubble Clay Mask from Body and Soul, and they currently sell it at £10.49. The next thing I am going to try in this unboxing skincare is the Blackhead 3-step thing. So I'm just going to read the description from the website. It said that it's a 3-step sheet that contains volcanic scoria ingredients to remove blackheads. So how do we use it? You wash our face and use the step 1, which I guess is this one, and tightly cover your nose with the pore opening sheet. Wait 15 to 20 minutes and then slowly remove the sheet and gently wash off any visible sebum. Wow, okay, comes out the sheet. It is tightly put on my nose. Now we'll wait 10 to 15 minutes. So the 15 to 20 minutes is up, so now I'm just gonna take it off and wash it all off. My nose feels really soft. Feels like a baby's butt. Step 2 is wet my nose with water, make sure my hands are dry, and open the step 2 package. Remove the clear film and tightly cover your nose with the pore removing sheet. So I've wet my nose. I'm gonna apply this on now. Keep this on for another 15 to 20 minutes. So whilst I'll let this dry, I am gonna go for a bit. So it has been around 20 minutes now, so I'm gonna remove this. It's not that bad. I don't really have anything really on there. Okay, so I washed off the stuff on my nose, so now I'm gonna go on the 3rd step, and this step is to actually close your pores, and we leave this one on again for I think 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, you want the jelly type, not the plastic one with holes in it. I'm simply gonna leave this on my nose. Oh, this is really cooling. So this costs $3.99. My nose has actually never felt so soft in my life. Alright, time's up. This really feels so cool. Peel it off. As you can see, my pores have been reduced, and now what you want to do is just pat it all in. We don't want to wash it all off, so it seeps into the skin and reduces your pores. So the last thing I'm gonna review is this Galaxy Diamond Glitter Violet Mask. Yeah, so this is said to be purifying and firming diamond amethyst summer berry complex, and for all skin types. So we have to rub the surface of the pouch to mix the contents well. So I'm guessing I'm just gonna rub it. However, I've already cleansed my face. Open the sachet and apply the mask in a thin and even layer. So it's like a very gooey texture. Okay, and I guess just put this all over the face. It smells very, I don't know, it kind of smells like a air freshener in a car. So I'm guessing it will all dry up and then it'll come off as a peel mask or something like that. Oopsies, look at that. I can feel some magic working on my skin. I don't know if you can see it, but it is quite glittery like it said it is. This is a very messy job. Ah, it just landed on my leg. Great stuff, Ellie, great stuff. This is so weird. I haven't tried a face mask like this. I'm trying to put it evenly, but it's not really going my way right now. This is me when I put it on. I'm so excited to see how this feels when I take it off. So I'm going to leave this for 15 to 20 minutes and I'll get back to you. Alright, time is up and it feels really firm. Like I can barely move my face. I'm going to try and peel it off now. So you have to peel it from the bottom. This is actually really tight on the skin. Okay, I guess some bits didn't really dry on this side, so I'm going to try it on this side. Whenever I do face masks, like, it really hurts when it gets to like this area. Ah. Oh. Oh my god. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't hurt. I don't know how you lot can do facials. This actually hurt. Facials look way more painful as well. Ah! Okay. Usually my under eye would hurt. Okay, I spoke too soon. Oh, I'm almost there, guys. I'm almost there. But my skin feels so smooth. Oh. Okay, I think it's getting... Ooh. Ooh. some of it didn't really dry that properly. No word of a lie, my skin is super smooth. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I feel like it's a bit red from where I was struggling to take it off. Like, my skin is actually really sensitive. I think they have a blue version as well. That one costs $2.99 for a pack. That's my review and the unboxing of skincare products from Body and Soul. Again, it's Seoul as in the capital of South Korea, as you can see, spelt differently. Obviously Korean skincare and Japanese skincare, that's why Body and Soul. Make sure you guys check them out. They have a range of products, not only the ones I showed you, a range of products, and I'm definitely gonna get from them again. Thank you Body and Soul for giving me these amazing products. This is legit my honest review. So guys, if you really enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions. Also, let me know if you tried out any of the products and the results were like for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.